Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to solve a common problem for Google Drive users, and that is, of course, duplicating folders. As you can see, there is no option to copy an entire folder. So let's say I have this folder that I want to duplicate. In this folder, we have some files, and we also have subfolders with more files. The first step is to create a new Google Sheets file and open it. Then select Extensions and App Script. This will take a few seconds to load. Okay, we are ready. Delete the existing code. And paste the script here. The script and also a copy of this file is provided in the video description. Okay, let's press Save button and then we will press the Run button. Press the Review Permissions button. Next, click on your account name. Then press Advanced. And click on this. Next step is to click on Allow button. Okay, now, we need to go back to the spreadsheet file. A box will appear. You need to type in the folder name that you want to duplicate. Then, another box will appear. You now need to type in the name of your duplicated folder like this. Next step is to sit back and relax and let it do its work. Depending on how many files are in the folder, they can take some time. And we are done. Let's go back to the Google Drive directory. And we may need to press the refresh button. Yes, I see our folder has been duplicated. Let's check the contents. Yes, all the files have been duplicated as well. And that's it. Duplicating folders in Google Drive using a script is really that simple. No more tedious copying and pasting of files one by one. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Google Drive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.